Hi, my first grade friends. Let's get ready for Fundations. I got shades on because you guys are so bright. The materials you will need at home today are your notebook, paper, pencil, and a red crayon. Materials you will need in school are your pencil, red crayon, and a notebook. Today's objective is I can read sentences and trick words. So let's review the trick words that we have learned this week. Who, what, when. You are going to practice those trick words in your assignment today. So let's get ready to echo. Remember, when you see Echo the Owl, you repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, A. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. WH, whistle, W. CH, chin, Ch. SH, ship, Sh. TH, thumb, CK, sock, K. ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. S, bugs, Z. Now let's pause the video and stretch our vowel sounds. Now let's practice tapping out all of these words. So we're going to put our hands up and we're going to tap out each word together. Let's start with this word. B, I, L's, bills. Now let's practice this word. Puffs, puffs. Notice how these words have bonus letters in them. Now let's try this word. Hams, hams. Now this word, let's tap it out. Packs, packs. Okay, we're going to try tapping this word out now. Ah, moths. And now this last word, k, kids. Good job tapping out all those words. Now you can use your notebook to write down the sentence, and we're going to play a game. We're going to be trick word detectives. So let's read the sentence together. What did you get at the shops? What did you get at the shops? I want you to be trick word detectives and find all of the trick words that you can in this sentence. We have what, you, and the. We have a lot of trick words in this sentence. Now let's scoop into phrases and say it again together with expression. What did you get at the shops? Okay, now we're going to read this sentence together. Who has the pens? Who has the pens? Can you find trick words in this sentence? Be a trick word detective. Who, has, and the are all trick words. Now I want you to try and guess how we can scoop this into phrases to make sure we don't sound like robots. You could scoop who has the pens. And we're going to practice reading this sentence together. Who will mop the decks? Who will mop the decks? Can you be a trick word detective and find all the trick words in this sentence? Who and the are all trick words. Now let's scoop it into sentences. We're scooping into phrases. Don't want to sound like robots. Who will mop the decks? Read it with expression. Who will mop the decks? Now let's play a word talk game. Which word fits? We're not going to draw a line. I actually put it into these blank spaces. So, let's talk about all of the words we have here. What word is this? Good call. What word is this? Ships. What word is this? Jobs. And this word, thick. Okay? Now we are going to put it into sentences. So there are many crews blank in the ocean. What word do you think should go there? We can substitute each word into the blank space to see what makes the most sense. So there are many crews call in the ocean. That doesn't really make sense. Let's go to the next word. There are many cruise ships in the ocean. That kind of makes sense. Do ships go in the ocean? Yes, but let's look through all our words just to make sure we choose the right one. Let's look at this word. There are many cruise jobs in the ocean. No, that doesn't make sense. There are many cruise thick in the ocean. No way, that doesn't make sense. So I think our word is ships. Okay, so we use ships. Now let's look at their other words to see where they fit. I like to eat blank pizza crust. Let's substitute all those other words in to see if we're using the right word. I like to eat call pizza crust? That doesn't make sense. Let's try this word. We already used ships in a sentence, so let's use a different word. I like to eat Jobs pizza crust. That's silly. That doesn't make sense. I like to eat thick pizza crust. Yep, that makes sense. Thick means big, so like maybe some big pizza crust. And actually, that's Miss Corrado's favorite part of pizza. Okay, now let's read this sentence and see what word fits. There are so many blank in the mall. Hmm. Let's substitute some words to see what makes sense. There are so many call in the mall. Well, that rhymes, but it sounds kind of weird to me. Let's try another word. There are so many jobs in the mall. Possibly. I think that's the one that makes the most sense out of the two words that we have left. There are so many jobs in the mall. And last, please do not blank out without raising your hand. I know some of us might give you those directions when we're in school. Please do not call out without raising your hand. Now you're going to go try reading sentences and trick words on your own. Have a great day.